Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to create and delete budgets in AWS using AWS Console. I have logged into my AWS account as a root user. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create a budget. So I am going to search for budgets here, right? Budgets come under the billing and cost management feature. Click budgets. Okay, click create budget. So we have, for the budget setup, we have two options. One is using a template. So 4 templates are available. One is a zero spend budget, because this is the free tier. So it says, right, even if you exceed $0.01, it will send a notification. And then we have the monthly cost budget and the daily savings plan coverage budget, which includes the details about the savings plan as well, and the daily reservation utilization budget. Okay. And there is another option, customize, where we will have more options to customize our budget. So today what I'm going to show is we are going to customize and create a new budget. So I'm going to click customize, right? And then there are various budgets available: cost budget, usage budget, savings plan budget, and reservation budget. For this demo purpose, we'll go with the cost budget. Click next, right? So what we need to do is we need to provide a name for the budget. So I'm going to say my budget. Okay, and the period will leave it as monthly, and then the budget renewal type as a recurring budget, because it gets renewed every month, monthly billing period. And the starting month, so currently it is July 2024 starting month. And the budgeting method, we will leave it as fixed. So we have the other options like plan to specify the budgeted amount for each budget period and things like that. Leave it as fixed. And the budgeted amount I am going to specify as $10. Okay, and the budget scope I'm going to say all AWS services, or in case if you wanted to filter and specify something, you'll be able to select this option. Okay, aggregated cost by unblended cost, right? So I'm going to use that. And the supported charge types, already all these things are already selected by default. So I'm going to create a budget using those default values. Click next. We need to add an alert threshold, so click add an alert threshold. See, for example, so now I have set $10 as my budget, right? So I can say when it reaches $8, you send me a notification, right? So again, this trigger can be based on the actual or can be forecasted. So even if your forecasted says it's 80%, then still you'll get a notification. Okay, and then we can specify the recipients who will receive an email notification. You can add up to 10 recipients, right? Or if you want to further configure Amazon SNS alerts and AWS chatbot alerts, that also you'll be able to configure. But by default, at least you need to set one alert. So click next. Okay. If you want to add any actions, so you'll be able to add actions so that AWS can automatically take some actions. Okay, click next. So now we can review the budget type. So we have selected as cost, right? And then we have put as start date July 24, budget amount is $10, and we have set an alert for 80% of budgeted amount. Okay, click create budget. Okay, the budget has been successfully created, right? So we'll be able to select this budget and review the information, right? It says the budget health, which gives information about the current versus budgeted, forecasted versus budgeted, right? And the alert, right? You'll be able to view all the alerts here, right? And if you wanted to see the budget history, so you'll be able to view it in the AWS Cost Explorer, the budget history. Okay, so it provides the new cost and usage report, right? So you'll be able to change the report parameters as well, right? So cost and usage breakdown, you'll be able to see that. You'll be able to download them as CSV as well, right? You'll be able to apply filters and then see information specific to filters also. Okay, so now we have seen how to create a budget and how to view a budget. Now let us see how to delete a budget, right? You'll be able to delete the budget by clicking this delete button, or go back to the budgets and select this and then click the actions and click delete. Okay, and confirm the deletion. So the budget has been successfully deleted. In this demo, we have seen how to create and delete budgets in AWS using AWS Console. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.